Hi, I'm Kim with Simply Beautiful in Austin, Texas. We're going to talk about how to keep your lips from bleeding. It's a common problem, and we can show you a solution. I'm going to start with some concealer. We're going to move to some powder, and then liner and lipstick. So here's some concealer, and we're going to put it on the outside of the lips, around. I'm using a concealer brush, but if you don't have that, use your finger. As always, I recommend a good set of brushes. There's a second benefit to putting concealer on the outside of your lips, is that it's going to make your lips look fuller. Concealer is it's very dry, and so we're going to keep the moisture to a minimum and help to absorb anything that comes out. So this is powder. We're going to pat it on the concealer like this. That, not so attractive. So we're going to take a brush and just brush it off. So now we've created a nice soft matte surface to start that lip liner on. I've chosen a deeper color than we ordinarily would for Sarah today because I really want to demonstrate for you how this is done. You want to get a lip liner that's drier or one that lasts longer, one that advertises that it's lasts longer. That means that it's less emollient and it'll have less of a opportunity to bleed. So starting on the lower lip, in the lowest part of the lower lip, coming up. Oops. Tilt. We're going to shade in your lips a little bit with the liner. Smack them. Thank you. So now we have a really dry surface, and if you wanted to just stop there and maybe put a little bit of gloss on it, that would be great. But remember, the more emollient it is on your lips, the more tendency it's going to have to bleed. So liner is going to be the least emollient. The next will be lipstick, and the most will be gloss. So I'm going to go with lipstick. Draw outside the lines a little bit. We're going to use a little Q-tip to just get that cleaned up. Simple. So by using a liner to keep everything in place and prepping the area with some concealer and powder, you're going to have the best chance you can of keeping that lipstick from bleeding and keeping it in place as long as you need it to be.